Hi guys, welcome back to today's tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to restrict someone on Facebook Messenger. It's pretty quick and easy. So let's jump right in. Open the Facebook app on your device and tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now you choose a random profile or the person you want to restrict. So I'm going to restrict a random profile and show you how to unrestrict them. So at the very top, you tap on their profile and you scroll down until you get to privacy and support. Now, under the privacy and support, you see a restrict button. Tap on it. Now, the person is being restricted. Now you go back to your chat list and you see that the chat doesn't show up in the main chat list. So to find the list of everybody you have restricted, you tap the menu icon at the very top left corner of your device. Then you tap on the gear icon beside your profile name. Now you locate and tap on privacy and safety. On privacy, tap on restricted accounts and it says restrict helps you to limit interactions with someone without blocking them, and it shows you the list of everybody you have restricted. So to unrestrict a profile, you tap on the profile you want to unrestrict, and at the very bottom of the profile you will see the unrestrict button. You tap on it to unrestrict the person. So the person has been unrestricted from your Facebook Messenger. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for your time today. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more informative tips. Bye.